अपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है।
And can we hear it for Fat Joe? And Frankie Negron? So listen, I am so thankful to everyone for being here, and including the leaders of the Puerto Rican community. I stand...
Wait for it. Here it comes.
I stand here proud of my long-standing commitment to Puerto Rico and her people. And
That Cuba looks so serene.
so, Allentown, this is it. Just one more day. One more day.
Oh my God!
One more day left in one of the most consequential elections of our lifetime.
Mario is not, in fact, mental.
Can you feel it? We have momentum, right?
तो आइए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बकचोदी के।
Because our campaign has tapped into the ambitions and the aspirations and the dreams of the American people. We are optimistic and excited